Introduction to Chinese by Darren Chen. Pinyin. To begin with, Pinyin is a system of Chinese syllables based on their pronunciation. It uses 25 out of 26 letters of the Roman alphabet. It also consists of three components: an initial, a final, and a tone. Initials. There are 21 initials. They are B, P, M, F, D, T, N, L, G, K, H, G, T, C, Z, Ch, S, Z, Ch, S, R. U and E are also characterized as initials, however, they are special because they cannot form a syllable alone. Finals. There are 6 finals. There are A, I, Bu, Yu. Tones. There are 4 tones for each simple final. Examples: ma, 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 ma. Although the syllables were spelled the same, the tone changed the meaning. Basic strokes. Basic strokes are marks made by a pen or pencil that can create a Chinese character. A character may consist of 1, 2, or more basic strokes. There are 11 basic strokes. They are Dian, Han, Shu, Piet, Na, Ti, Han, Go, Shu, Go, Sai, Go, Han, Zhi, Shu, Zhi. Stroke order rules. There are 6 stroke order rules. 1. From left to right. 2. From top to bottom. 3. Horizontal before vertical. 4. From outside to inside. 5. Middle before two sides. 6. Inside before closing. Radicals. A Chinese radical is a component of a Chinese character formed from basic strokes. Each Chinese character has its own distinct radical to show their meaning. Examples: Sui means water, Huo means fire, Mu means wood, Xi means show, So means hand. I hope you enjoyed my oral presentation on Introduction to Chinese.